fuel, so I got some more stuff out of storage, and then you can see in that big battery on a solar panel. But I got that to fix. I'll check the battery. It's only about 2 or 3 year old. They got a lot of tractors. Sometimes it uses them, sometimes it doesn't. When they sit, the batteries go flat, so I'm just fixing it up now. This charger didn't fix it, but this one will. Hey, it's already green. Okay, well it was completely dead, zero, completely dead flat, and his charger wouldn't fix it, but the solar panel is. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put on my CCA charger now from here on. Came from the same place this battery came from. He's got someone's got all these tractors. They only use them at the harvesting time in the wine grape season, and then the tractors are not being used all the rest of the year. The batteries just go flat in them. He hasn't got any real means to trickle charge them. Disconnected, I don't want any sparks and explosions. He hasn't got any trickle charge. He's just got a big industrial bloody truck battery charger, which he uses that only when he needs them. Because he's doing that, by the time he needs the batteries, they're stuffed. So they sit too long flat. But I think we're going to get lucky with this one. It's a nice big 900 coconut one, this one. So this battery's been fixed. You might get this one in your back yet. I do the same with the other tractor batteries has got with this charger. I'll let this sit for about 2 or 3 days and we'll monitor this battery. The hard work's been done by the solar panels, because this charger won't charge it when it's completely dead. Anything under 10 volts, this is not going to do it. If the battery's completely dead, this charger will either pull too much current or just fault out and not charge. So the other options, use one of these. Not as powerful. You can get it will work, but the most successful way that works for me is those big solar panels. 38 volts at 8 amps is plenty of power to fix one of these big batteries up. And then you completely destroyed those 2 little batteries, so why use a lot of power to charge batteries? That's the expensive part, when you can just do it with solar panels on one of these. This is just trickle charging, it doesn't use bloody much power at all. So that's the expensive part, is keeping the batteries fucking charged from being completely flat, which is what those solar panels, the economic part of it is, with those big solar panels I got. The big solar panels are the hard work, so that's got to be my investment in these bloody solar panels. That's where I'm gonna get investment out of them doing that. So things like this, those solar panels are perfect. I get more batteries like this from him. I'll probably take this in here back to him at some stage and we'll use this again. And I'll just try and monitor them. Before they go completely flat, bring them in, and I'll put them on the solar panel if they're completely dead flat and put them on this. Realistically, if he's got a trickle charger batteries, he would need 10 of these bloody things. He's got that much of batteries that need to get charged and aren't being used. They only get used once a year. So ideally, I set up like that on his big shed with solar panels and just get a charge controller and park your vehicles, and each battery in the vehicle will have its own little charger from those panels. That should work in theory as an economical way to keep the batteries healthy. Because buying these once friggin' every 2 or 3 years gets a bit expensive, especially when it's unnecessarily flattened and ruined unnecessarily. I'm going to put a hose on that, put it in a bubbler, keep the hydrogen, make some hydrogen bombs. Alright, that'll come up nicely, should be happy with it when it's fully charged and finished. Saving some bloody money, that's for sure. Anyway, I'll check back in that in a little bit. Maybe later on I'll check it out and give it a test. Anyway, it's too hot to be out here. Thanks for watching.